The bucket bag is an easy bag to make. There are YouTube videos showing you the step-by-step. I have included a link in the description box. It's as simple as this. The bag starts with a rectangle, followed by a single crochet row all around with 2 or 3 stitches in the corners. Then you single crochet all around, all the way up to where you crochet in the rings over 3 stitches. 3 rows follow to the finish. In this video, I will show you a way to style the strap and ties. I made a chain end or toggle bar so that I could tie the chain onto the ring. The strap is a metallic foiled suede strip with the ends sewn onto swivel hooks. I used a double cord stop from Joann's for the t-shirt yarn ties. For the tie ends, I made wire coil tips, which I will demonstrate next. You will need 18 gauge round soft wire. I used a silver plated copper wire from Parawire in champagne gold. You will also need round nose pliers and flush cutters. Trim and straighten the wire. Then place the wire end at the bottom of the pliers. Wrap the wire counterclockwise, keeping the coil at the bottom of the pliers. As you wrap upwards, the coil will narrow, which will create the tip for your tie. Wrap up about halfway so the top opening will be large enough for the t-shirt yarn to fit through. Then cut off the wire end. Pull the yarn through the tip and then tie a knot on the end. For the strap, I used a leather remnant from Michaels. It is from a grab bag of assorted leathers. Here is what I got: a gold foiled herringbone pattern, which I used for this purse, a silver herringbone, and this pretty lacy foiled patterned suede. Next, I'll show you how to make the chain end toggle bar. You can use a swivel clasp, but this will save you a little money and add a unique touch. Trim the wire and cut off about 3 inches. Wrap a loop in the center. Fit the last chain link into the loop, then close the loop. Then wrap tiny loops on each end toward the center. Now when you tie on the chain, it should stay tied. However, if it becomes loose, you can bend the toggle bar to secure it. Thanks for watching.